Welcome to the CryptoNest. So render, it's skyrocketing. So now let's do a quick review of this coin. So started in 2021. It did spike, in 3 waves. So not brilliant, let's say. This I'm going to put here. Now the higher high, I'm going to put it in green. So this is the first target we need to reach. And, start to be exciting. We're near there. Okay, so now we did reach this cap. I would say starting from this level here, we start to be in bull territory. And now clearly, it's a win. We are getting there to make a new higher high. So this was our wave 1. This is a wave 2. This was our DO third wave level, $5.59. We were kind of a bit off short. We waited, we stopped at 5.32. We did a pullback. Now it's a while I didn't do any follow-up on the rendered. I did had for a while a questioning, is this a wave A, is going to do a wave B and make slightly a wave C, lower low. But now you can see, it's impossible. And some of my friends are like, how can you determine when a wave B is not a wave B anymore? Well, wave B, to be fair, are the one that are the most difficult to gauge, if I can say that. So the 1.618, so I just take the fib from the top to the bottom of the wave A, or what you think is the wave A, and then you do the 1.618. So this is the level where usually, rarely, can reach a wave B, this level there. After that, it's impossible. But now, because it did already reach almost the 0.5, and that's kind of deep, right? It was very deep and quick correction, but we can see that there is an A, a B, and a C. So, the signs were there, but then you need confirmations, right? And that was very, very short. If I go compare to the wave 2, that was very long, but also there, if you have a very long wave 2, you're going to have a shorter wave 4. So that's for that. So now we missed the target for the 1.618, but we are currently now bent on just reached the 2.618, as you can see. Actually, this one I could put it maybe a little bit near, like that. Okay, so that's for that. So third wave reached, almost fifth wave now. We are there. Now I'm inclined to say that this is not finished. This is just the start. So I would say this is the wave 1 of 5, this is the wave 2 of 5, this is the 3. We're going to have the 4 and 5. So I'm expecting higher levels for render. And so let's label it. So this is the 1, this is the 2, getting the 3, the 4, and the 5 eventually. And let me change the color maybe for maybe blue. Okay, so let's see. If I take this as the beginning of the wave 1 and this is the end of the wave 1, let's take our 2 bull maybe. So we did reach barely the 0.5, and after that we skyrocket. So that's a check for, I can call this a wave 2. It did reach the minimum requirement. Now I'm going to do the fib extensions and see. Well, for sure we did reach the 1.618. I would say we even busted the 2.618. So from the beginning to the end of the wave 1 to the end of wave 2. So where are we? All right, so band on 2.618 again. I'm going to say that now this third wave it's finished. Where is the third wave? Okay, so I really believe this is the top almost. And also remember, well, what was this? I don't even remember now, man. Yeah, this was another way of calculating. I just did the price discovery. I just took that pullback, if I'm not mistaken, and I just did the 1.618, and so we have 3 confluences now. Amazing. All right, so 2.618, 2.618, and almost 2.618. So there you go for that. So now let's talk wave 4. Well, honestly, I don't want to talk about it because it's too early. I don't see anything that tell me that we are, beginning of this correction. We're still going, but I can see you can see some side movement now. So I would say maybe this is my first sign that we're going there. Also, 1 hour, we do have a bearish divergence. Let's go and check on the 4 hours. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's go on the daily. Okay, daily, we're still good to go. RSI, it's flat on the side. So I am preparing for a pullback now. Now, let's talk. Okay, let's talk about pullback then at the end. What should we expect as a level? Let me take the bigger screen now and see. I should have put those. Okay, here. So I take the top. Actually, no, it's the bottom. Today I'm a little bit off. Okay, so I'll take the beginning of the third wave to the end of what we think it's a third wave. Top. I take the setting for the fourth wave. Now maybe I should change color for something more flashy so we can see it. There you go. And maybe I take out this one. At least we are a little bit clearer. Okay, so I'm going to say that price should go and correct if this is indeed the top of the third wave. $7.27 to $6, let's say 30. And also here we do have a strong kind of support now, resistance that is going to flip to support. So let's see how it goes. Honestly, I'm very happy with render. Once again, I do have some render, and I'm very happy. And the only thing I'm unhappy, I should have gotten more before. But at one certain point, money, it doesn't grow on trees, and that's the dilemma. We need to deal with it. All right, so this is pretty much all for render for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.